Today I got this 2002 Toyota Sequoia over here at the shop. The owner has this tire swing out kit by 80% off-road and I'm going to install it for him. So let's get to it. I start by taking some measurements and removing the bumper. Then I grind away 23 years of paint, rust, and grime till I get down to fresh metal. After a quick acetone wipe, I bust out the welder and I start burning. The chassis is only about 10 gauge, so this 3/16 plate will give us a better surface to weld the bracket to. After a few double checks, I move on to welding on the bracket. Then a few coats of Seymour's flat black to block out the rust fairies. Now, on to the landing. I make a quick template to get a feel for how I want to mount this. Then, over to the bandsaw we go. After welding it up, it also gets a coat of Seymour's and a test fit. Now, onto the bumper. Psych, a bunch of fasteners either broke or were seized when I went to remove them, so let's drill out the broken ones and cut off the seized ones. Then install some riv nuts. Okay, now onto the bumper. First, I need to make some cutouts. After a quick measurement, I get a rough cut with a multi-tool. I use a metal blade since it has fine teeth and it makes it easier to make turns. Then, I clean it up with my band file that's running Empire abrasive belts. I round all the corners so the trim doesn't kink on turns. Then we mount the wheel and do some tests and adjustments and we're done. Overall, it looks great. The installation is pretty straightforward and man does it fit the look of this truck. By the way, this thing is the real deal. The owner travels, camps, and explores with it. No parking lot princess stuff here. Alright, that's it. She's off to the next journey.